Hi, I'm Karen Morris. I'm your English instructor this semester, and I just wanted to make a little quick video, hopefully quick, that will show you what you need to know about navigating the course. So if you are in 099 and 101, you're going to have two courses to click on to make sure you get all of the assignments done. So make sure that you are keeping up with the modules on the left-hand side every week. You probably have your courses ordered something like this. I prefer to have the view that looks like this. So if that helps you out, that's just this little thing up here. This doesn't help me as much as having the photo, and then I can better tell which course I'm going in. So we'll start with 099. And I'm going to enter student view so that I see what you see, hopefully. Of course, in both courses, you have to do the attendance verification quiz. That is not optional. Currently, there is no Respondus lockdown browser or anything on either of the attendance verification quizzes. You may look for those on the bigger tests. So you just click on the red link, and when you see a colored link, you know that's some sort of assignment indicator. So I make the titles of your assignments every week in a color so that you will be sure to notice them, I hope. So when you're ready to start the quiz, you just hit begin. And it's about 4 or 5 questions, so it should not be anything that you stress out about, but do click on the syllabus, and you can keep the syllabus with you while you are taking the quiz. If you cannot access the syllabus, you can email me at karen.morris@wallacestate.edu. That's the best way to reach me. My office phone is here, but I'm not always in my office, and currently in my office the phone is not working, so they're fixing it, but email is certainly the best way to get in touch with me. And as soon as I'm back in my office at my computer, I will always answer as quickly as I can. So Module 1 is where we will start. Of course, I've already mentioned the attendance verification quiz. You also have a sentence structure quiz just to help you review some of the basics of sentence structure. This is going to be important for your ability to write well and get good grades on essays and other writing assignments. Also, you're going to have a grammar test in this class, and sentence structure is probably 25% of the whole test, so it's going to be a big chunk of your grammar test as well. So when you click on, make sure you're using Chrome browser, by the way, you just click on the video icon twice and give it a minute. See? Oh, I didn't have to click it twice, but it takes it a little bit. Oh, I am clicking it twice. So yes, click it twice. I have that in the instructions. Preview the test by clicking this icon, and then it flew down here so you can see what you're going to be asked on the quiz. You could even print this and try to answer them, or just read through them and number on a piece of paper, try to answer them. The best thing is really to be reading through and see what the possible answers are for each video quiz, and then go back. I just clicked on the content thing up here. I even left this up, but I click on content again, and then when you're ready to take the quiz, you hit continue, and the video will play and pause and ask you the questions in the order that you saw them on the pre-test. So that'll be one of the quizzes that you take. Another one is the email etiquette quiz. Make sure you're scrolling down all the way to the bottom for every module. So don't just assume that just because this screen has 2 things on it that have colored links, don't assume that's all. Keep scrolling down, read all the content in every class. And then once you finish Module 1, you are welcome to continue on to Module 2. It is better to go ahead and get all of the content done before it's due. That way you have plenty of time if you run into some kind of trouble with the technology. I need 48 hours of a standard work day to make sure that I can get you the help that you need from IT or from me. If something is not where it should be or you're having trouble finding resources, let me know. So again, for Module 2, you'll have several things to do. Scroll all the way to the bottom. But as you complete each module in English 099, make sure you are going to English 101 and completing those modules each week as well. The modules in English 101 also have the dates that you're expected to be working in those modules, and those are due dates, so do work ahead. That's always good. So again, you have another attendance verification quiz that you have to take in 101, just like you did in 099, or you'll be dropped from the course because you're an online student and I need to be able to tell that you are working in the class. So here's another note about how the due dates are not the due dates. So don't wait to do your assignments on the day the assignment is due. Here is some prodding to go ahead and start the career comparison essay and quote burger paragraphs assignments in this second module here. So as soon as you finish one module, go ahead and be looking to see what you can go ahead and get done for the next module and scroll all the way down. This module has 2 quote burger assignments. One you will do in 099 as well as in 101. So don't be worried that you've already done it. Just consider it good practice. Go ahead and do anything that has a duplicate in 099. Do that first because the 099 quizzes I have set up so that you can retake them as many times as you want to. And that's not the case for English 101. So always work in English 099 first and then come over to English 101. And of course, if you have any questions, email me. Here's my email again. It's karen.morris@wallacestate.edu. And let me know. I'm eager to help you and eager to work with you this semester. And just as a reminder, the protocol for answering student emails is 48 hours, which means if you email me on Friday after the school closes at 2, it will be Monday morning before I can answer you. Now, I do on occasion check on Saturdays, so that doesn't mean you absolutely won't get an answer, but if I'm out of town or doing something with family, it may be Monday before you get to me. So don't panic. But if you haven't heard from me by Monday, please do email again. Maybe it went to spam or something like that. Another important thing that you saw in the syllabus is that you need to email me using your Wallace State email. I'll open the syllabus so we can look at that together. Do use your Wallace State email and be sure to tell me what class you're in. I have several sections of English 101. So when you sign your email, put your name. Your A number is great, but once I have your name and your class and the time the class is or the section of the class, this here is the section, this 51444, which is not your section. Your section is going to depend on this number here that's at the top of your Blackboard screen or here. It's also where you would find it listed when you click on your courses. And if yours is still in the list, it's still next to the name of your course. So be sure to add that to the signature next to your name in the email so I know which English 101 course you're in, and that will help me out tremendously. All right, have a great semester. Bye.